There are different sources of errors in theodolite: instrumental error, personal error, and natural error. In this video, I will explain about instrumental errors in theodolite briefly. The first one is the error due to the imperfect adjustment of plate level. In this case, the vertical angle measured will be incorrect. This error can be eliminated only by careful leveling with respect to the altitude bubble. But this error cannot be eliminated by double sighting. The error due to the imperfect adjustment of plate level cannot be eliminated by double sighting. Next one is the error due to the line of collimation not being perpendicular to the horizontal axis. In this case, this error can be eliminated by taking both face observation, both face left and face right observation. Next one is the error due to the horizontal axis not being perpendicular to the vertical axis. In this case, both horizontal and vertical angle will be incorrect. This error can be eliminated by taking both face observations. Next error is error due to the non-parallelism of the axis of the telescope level and the line of collimation. In this case, the vertical angle will be incorrect. This error can be eliminated by taking both face observations. Next one is the error due to the imperfect adjustment of the vertical circle vernier. In this case, the vertical angle measured will be incorrect. This error is also known as index error. So it can be eliminated by either by applying index correction or by taking both face observation. Next one is the error due to the eccentricity of inner and outer axis. In this case, the center of the graduated horizontal circle does not coincide with the center of the vernier plate. In this case, the reading against the vernier will be incorrect. It can be eliminated by taking two vernier reading. Next one is the error due to the imperfect graduations. It is eliminated by taking mean of several readings distributed over different portions of the graduation circle. The last error is error due to the eccentricity of the vernier. Due to this error, the difference between two vernier readings will not be 180 degree. It can be eliminated by taking both vernier reading. These are about the instrumental errors in theodolite. Thank you.